Hey, again, just go outside and everything will be okay. Didn't I say that? Didn't I say that? Yes, you did, but I'm not listening to you. Because you're just a nasty boy. Hey, men protect women. And you're just gonna say that straight up in my face? Wow, how grateful of you. Oh my God, that's so okay. Yeah, you shouldn't be cussing. We're 10-year-olds, remember? Oh my God, I just want to go home. Why are you recording this again? I get camera shy, just like my dog. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're acting, but you're my dog. Hey, sure. Yep. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're just my dog acting. Hey, and I think those are just fake skin masks that look like human. Huh? Oh, I just want to be a normal girl.